Okay, so we are here at Niagara Falls State Park. We will continue our video. So this is it. The red one is from Canada side. As I showed you a while ago, the blue one is on the side of USA. So I'm here on the side of USA, so we can see the rainbow there. So we will go there. So we'll just pass through this bridge, this little thing. It goes here, go down here, and Brenda is already there. The waiting shed was so hot. So I'm gonna show you where we are exactly. And this is it. Nee. And the wife is tired now. Walking. So we go again to the closest water. You can see exactly how does it moves. Look at this. See this? It's so close. So you need to hold tight your cell phone. When it drops, no more cell phone. Brenda's taking picture again. And go here. You see? The side, and this is USA side. We are so close to the water. You can see the rainbow there. Yeah, there's a rainbow now. The rainbow is coming. Yeah. Hey, rainbow, come on. The rainbow is there. Rainbow, yeah, rainbow bridge. Here, we're gonna go here. Yeah, there's a rainbow. I told you. It's called the rainbow bridge. So we will try to go on the other side. We'll find a way. We will cross the bridge there. But we need to pay, I think. Yeah. There's a payment to that. So we cross. Mahaba ulit na dyan eh. Oh, no. We will walk too far then. For me, and we will get another one here. Yeah. Hey, let's go here. They're doing the cake. No, they're doing the cake. Yeah. Yeah, that's US side. Oh, they're turning around. Just a paper. pass through that line area and here. You see, so close. Yeah, hold on your phone. When you drop your phone, no more. Hold on properly your phone. See, you drive bato-bato. Okay, that's okay. Oh, Brenda. Yeah. Okay. Again, let's get on the side. Bayad ka pa ito. Okay, so thank you for watching. This is Brother William, and thank you. Bye.